Hello and good morning. Today let us look at Virgo Lagna and the fifth bhava Capricorn. Capricorn is a movable earthy sign. The fifth house of emotions, education and children fall in Capricorn, which is a movable earthy sign with a she-goat as the symbol, against Virgo Lagna, which is the dual earthy sign and a virgin girl as a symbol. The virgin girl as a symbol for Virgo shows that the native is very conscious of the society, and the Capricorn fifth house allows them to maintain this consciousness of the society by being an hard-working sign. Capricorn is also the 10th house from the Kala Purusha, and it is the karma sthana. Therefore, the Virgo natives have the ability to perform in most difficult times because of the Capricorn's 10th house of karma and the Saturn as the Lord. Capricorn as the fifth house has a need to express emotions. They have retentive memory, deep imagination and deep feelings. They are elusive, sometimes stubborn, and the Virgo natives are difficult to express their feelings and are pessimistic. They cover their emotions with a tough exterior or the I don't care types. Saturn is the Lord, and they are always slow to react to any form of emotion, be it temper or be it pain. Education, hardworking, slow, will follow through the goal they have set for themselves. They make good businessmen, and they are also great scientists and engineers and researchers in Virgo Lagna natives, since their fifth house is a hardworking, vigilant house. Children, Capricorn is a semi-fruitful sign, therefore, and Saturn is a slow planet. Therefore, there will be delays but not a denial to have children. Now, let us look at Rahu Ketu. Rahu in Capricorn is considered to be good, as the natives' imaginations may run wild, but at the same time, the natives will have breaks in education, they will have breaks in their emotions, and the native might find it difficult to reach their goals unless and until the Dasha Bhuktis are favorable. Ketu in Capricorn is not a very favorable placement for Ketu. The native might be extraordinarily intelligent, may do well in education, but might find it difficult to maintain a specific career goals, or their career goals will see lot of ups and downs. Now, the other thought process with Capricorn is they are shy. They are with Ketu in Capricorn, they are shy, they are introverts, and you will find it very difficult to understand them. They will have children at the right time according to the Dasha Bhuktis. Now, let us look at this chart which I have put. There are no planets in the fifth house. The fifth lord is placed in the second house of Libra and is aspected by Moon, the 11th house, from the 8th house. Saturn in turn is aspecting Mars in the 4th house, and the 4th house and Mars. Saturn in the Navamsha is in Scorpio from the Virgo Rashi Lagna. Now, since there is no planets in the fifth house, Do we turn around and say fifth house will not have any reactions? Absolutely not. The fifth Rashi is not having any planets, no aspect on the fifth Rashi. Therefore, the fifth Lord Saturn is the point of consideration. Saturn in turn aspects the fourth house. Therefore, when Saturn is aspecting the fourth house, the native will have education, may be slightly delayed due to the influence of Saturn, but the fifth lord is exalted. Therefore, the native will have good education. Now, Saturn in turn aspects Mars, who is placed in the fourth house. Mars is the third lord placed in the fourth house, and Jupiter, the fourth lord, is placed in the third house. There is a Parivartana yoga. We have to go back to yoga classes to see what are the results of Parivartana yoga, but to be short, it means that the native, the fourth house Karatatvas will be done by Mars, and the third house Karatatvas will be done by Jupiter, would be the easiest way to understand the Parivartana yoga. Since fourth house is aspected by aspected by Saturn, Mars and Jupiter have exchanged houses. Therefore, Jupiter, the fourth lord, is indirectly linked to Saturn. So, there is a link between the fourth house and the fourth lord with the fifth house lord Saturn through Mars. Therefore, the education of this native will be pure sciences and would involve some breaks, okay, due to the Dasha Bhuktis if not favorable. Now, marriage for this chart is a delayed marriage, and we will look at the delay for the marriage of this chart when we come to the seventh house. The native will definitely have children because the fifth lord is aspected by benefic moon and also the 11th lord moon. The placement of the moon in the 8th house is not so favorable. So there may be some kind of changes before the native had his children. Of course, the Dasha Bhukti will guide us as to when the native will have children and when the native will have marriage. I hope this has made the fifth bhava of Virgo Lagna easy. Please do like, share and follow me. Signing off, Gayatri. Bye-bye.